Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing the Unbridled Spirit Tarot. This is by Tina Tack Anderson and art by Dianita. Hopefully I'm pronouncing all of those names correctly. This is published by Llewellyn. Thank you so much to Llewellyn for sending this our way, and it retails for $32.99 in the US, and of course everywhere down in the description box where you can legitimately purchase it will be linked below. All right, let's get into it. Celebrate the ancient spiritual partnership between horses and humanity. Featuring gorgeous artwork by Dianita and profound insights by Tina Tack Anderson, both of whom have changed their lives through horsemanship, this kit teaches you how to connect with horses and access their healing energy. These cards provide immense support for the soul and help you see the potential within yourself to which you have been blind. Unbridled Spirit Tarot showcases the diverse range of cultures and traditions that work and play with horses. From roping to racing to bonding sessions in the barn, these cards and color guidebook inspire you to free your spirit in every reading. 78 cards and a 312-page full color guidebook. All right, we have the magnetic closure here. Let your unbridled spirit run free. So cute. Love the ribbon. Here's the guidebook. Oh, it comes with a little card stand. Okay. Let your unbridled spirit run free again. All right, so before we get into the cards, I'm going to take a peek here at the guidebook. We have the about the author, about the artist. Nice. And then we have a brief history of tarot and horses, tarot basics, deck care and use of your cards, spreads, and then it goes into the card meanings for the major and minor. Already, I'm really enjoying the art here. I do want to see. Nice. Frequently asked questions. I do want to see the spreads here. Okay, cool. Single card, 3 card. We got a list of potential questions here. Celtic cross spread, horseshoe spread, and the unbridled spirit spread. Oh, we got one more. Go for the gold. And then it goes into the meanings. Okay, very cool. I'm going to unwrap the deck. I'll be right back. All right, bringing you in a little bit closer. Here's the back. It's a linen. It's that Llewellyn cardstock. It's on the thinner side, but I think it's going to shuffle just fine. Snapping back, flexible. Love the horses. I am not a horse girl, but I can appreciate the horses. Okay. So we do have a number and a title down below with some horseshoes. Very cute. I have a feeling that's supposed to be Joan of Arc, but I'm not sure. But that's really cool. I like what they did with the archway there with the pillars. Loving the attention to detail here. Oh my goodness, we have a little baby horse. Love that. Symbolism is all there. Love that. I'm loving the look across cultures and across time as well. If you are a fan of Bob's Burgers, this is a very Tina Belcher coded deck. This is really cool. I'm enjoying this. Interesting. The art is really pretty too. Ooh, cool. Aw. All right, let's get to the minors. We're starting off with cups. Oh, yay. So sweet. Okay. This is definitely doing a really good job with symbolism and incorporating the theme of the horses. Oh. I'm excited to get to know the guidebook as well. And pentacles. The art really is beautiful. The little study books back there. Yeah, I really like this. This is very beginner friendly as far as the symbolism goes, but I'm excited to see what the guidebook brings. Swords. Ooh. Interesting. Oh. and Wands. Everything's done so dynamically as well. Like, you feel the movement, you see it, and it plays into the energy of the card. And the sunflowers. All right. I'm impressed. I think it was beautifully done. I love different cultures, different body types. That was my fault. All right. There we go. Yeah, it's very flexible. Shuffling just fine. And I will say it's a matte too. I don't think if I mentioned that prior. All right, overhand, just fine too. We're going to read for the Three of Wands. So yeah, awesome. Okay, so here's a look back at what it to remind you. We're going to put him in its little card holder. Oh my goodness, cute. And I'm going to get the guidebook going. So I do want to point out in the beginning of their suit, it does give you information on the wands. And then we're going to go into the Three of Wands, team roping. Unbridled spirit of the message. A claim has been staked by the leader in the team roping event. As the healer readies himself to complete his throw, he hopes his calculated risk pays off. The spirit of the Three of Wands communicates the importance of foresight, knowing that you have the established strength and energy to commit to expanding your horizons. This time may feel like the breath between making a decision and seeing the results. Commit to the changes you want to see. Don't be afraid to explore what is out there. Opportunity awaits you if you are willing to travel toward it. With blinders on. With the spirit of the Three of Wands reversed, you can be weighed down with frustration and impatience. This could result from disappointment with the outcomes you have received so far, causing you to delay further action. Limiting yourself, eyes downcast, and believing you can only learn from hindsight is keeping your worldview small. Open your eyes and see what lies beyond your own 2 feet. Connection exercise. Taking calculated risks is part of expanding your horizons, as the Three of Wands urges us to do so. With risk comes reward, but also the potential for a lot of regrets. When you have trouble determining if you should take a calculated risk, balance your emotions with logic to gain a more rational outcome. Don't let fear dictate your response. With regard to feelings of regret, if you take this action, ask yourself, will I regret not taking this chance more than I fear trying and failing to meet my own expectations? Okay, I really like how they laid that out, how they explain the activity that's going on in the card and how that relates to the energy. I love the addition of the exercise down here too to help you connect even further with the energy of the card. I just want to take a peek. Yep, it's like that with the major as well. I do want to see about the High Priestess real fast, if that was who I thought it was. Yep. Awesome. Okay, so it was Joan of Arc. I love that it gives you who they're supposed to be representing. Alexander the Great. I love that. Awesome. This is beautifully done. I love the guidebook. I think it's great for beginners. If you are a horse person, or even if you just vibe with the art or what this is about, want a really nice beginner friendly deck to help you get involved with tarot a little bit deeper, this could be for you. This is beautifully illustrated. It has all the symbolism there, but then some when you add on the theme of the horses and the unbridled spirit here of the horses. I love the different cultures. I love the different aspects that we see in here involving horses. I think that's really, really cool. So if you like this deck, I would love to know down in the comments, what is your favorite thing about it? What do you like about it? This is a great, pardon the pun, workhorse deck. So if you've made it this far in the video, drop a horse emoji in the comments to let me know you have. Thank you so much to Llewellyn for sending this deck our way. I am very excited to get to know this more on a personal level because this is just beautifully done. All right. With that being said, let me know your thoughts. And if you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye!